Hey guys, it's Anna here with Dees, and today's decorating tip is how to add ribbon into your tree. I've chosen 3 different ribbons that I'm going to put in this tree that has snowy and kind of fun pine cones, snowmen that are going to go in it. I've went ahead and put in some of my stems. I like to start and do it that way to fill in some space and then use my ribbon to fill in other holes. We all do it differently though, so if you want to do all your ribbon first and then your ornaments, maybe you don't do as many stems, you can do it any way, but I like to do it this way so then my stems show up really well and then my ribbon is not in the very back, it's kind of in the front. There's lots of ways you can add ribbon to your tree, but the easiest way is to use the branches on the tree and twist your ribbon in. So you can, if you're doing 1 or 2, you can just take that ribbon, find a branch where you have a hole, and just twist it on there. So all I did was twist the branch around. As you see, it holds it in there and you don't have to wire everything in. Then leave a nice amount of the wired ribbon and go to the next set of branches. This makes it really easy. All you have to do is twist, and then when you want to take it out, you just untwist and roll it back on your roll. I'll go ahead and do one more, and then I'm going to cut it. The reason I go on and cut it and do it in pieces is then you have more control over where your ribbon goes and you're not trying to add ribbon over here and having to stretch it across and getting a kind of a weird line. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it and then start adding my next ribbon. So next I'm going to go with the red, and you can do lots of things. You can keep on draping it like this, like a garland, or you can make a bow in your hand and add it in. So you might go right on top of where you twisted in some of the plaid. Just twist it again in the branches, and then that gives you a fuller kind of bow look. It does take quite a bit more ribbon to do that, but it does look really nice in the tree if you're wanting to fill in. And then lastly, you might go in with a green like we have here. And this I would use as an accent, so I'm not going to use as much of this. So you could even do like little pieces here and there, or just kind of go in where you want to fill and add just a pop of that green throughout your tree. We have lots of people here in Floral that can help you figure out how much ribbon you need for your tree, or if you like one of our trees, how much ribbon we put on it. We also have this really helpful guide that lets you know the size of your tree, full view, half view, and how much ribbon you'll need to put on your tree.